How to build wealth even with a low income. If you make $50,000 a year, you're told you can't build wealth. That's a lie. I know people making less than that who are on track to have $500,000 by 40. And I'm about to show you exactly how. Welcome back. If you're new here, hit subscribe because we're covering the exact wealth building formula that works regardless of your paycheck size. Here's what nobody tells you. Wealth isn't built by your income. It's built by the gap between what you earn and what you spend. A person making $60,000 a year who spends $40,000 can build more wealth than someone making $120,000 who spends $100,000. The math doesn't lie. Let's get into the 3 moves that actually work. Part 1. Engineer your save rate. This is where everything changes. Most people with low income think saving is a nicety. It's not. It's a requirement. Here's the target. Shoot for a 30 to 50% save rate. That sounds impossible if you're making $50,000. It's not. Let me show you why. $50,000 gross is roughly $3,200 a month after taxes. A lot of people think that's the ceiling. But here's what actually happens when you look at your spending. Housing. $1,200. That's reasonable in most U.S. markets if you have a roommate or live outside the city center. Food and groceries. $300. Completely doable. Chicken, rice, frozen vegetables. This isn't deprivation. This is being intentional. Transportation. $200. Take the bus, carpool, or ride your bike when possible. Utilities and internet. $150. Phone. $50 on a budget plan. Subscriptions. Cut them. Netflix, Hulu, the gym app. Cancel it all. Total time spent. 20 minutes. That's $2,150 in expenses. You've got $1,000 left. That's a 30% save rate. Here's the magic. Most people stop looking. They just spend the $1,000 because it's there. You're not most people. If you can find another $200 by meal prepping harder, selling stuff you don't need, taking a side gig for 5 hours a week, you're at $1,200 saved monthly. That's 37%. That changes your entire life trajectory. Part 2. Automate your wealth. You're saving $1,000 to $1,200 monthly. Now we make it impossible to fail. Step 1. Open a Roth IRA. Not next month. Today. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab. Doesn't matter. They're all free. Why a Roth IRA? Because you contribute post-tax money now. And it grows completely tax-free forever. Seriously. Forever. And in retirement, you withdraw it tax-free. That's the wealth hack the rich have been using for decades. Max out that Roth IRA. $6,500 a year. That's $540 monthly. Set it up for automatic deposits on the day you get paid. You won't miss it. In that Roth, buy one thing. A total stock market index fund. VTI through Vanguard or VT Sachs. Not individual stocks. Not crypto. Not whatever your cousin is hyping. The S&P 500 has returned roughly 10% annually for the last 50 years. That's the baseline. Do the math. $540 a month. 10% returns. 30 years. That's roughly $500,000. From someone making $50,000 a year. That's the math. Now, if your employer offers a 401k, take the full match. That's free money the government lets you hide from taxes. If they match 4%, contribute 4%. Don't leave free money on the table. Remaining savings after Roth and 401k match? High yield savings account, Ally Bank, Marcus, or American Express. They're currently paying around 4 to 5% APY. That's your emergency fund building while earning real interest 3 to 6 months of expenses. Get there in 2 years with low-income discipline. Part 3. The compounding machine. This is where the philosophy shifts. You're not trying to get rich quick. You're building a machine. Year 1 through 5. Most people see minimal growth. The balance is small. The monthly contributions matter more than the returns. This is the mental grind. Stay disciplined. Year 5 through 15. The returns start matching your contributions. The portfolio is earning what you earn monthly. This is when you feel it working. Year 15 plus. The returns eclipse your contributions. Your money is making more money than you are. That's when you've won. The people I know making $50,000 a year who will have $500,000 by 40 are doing exactly this. They're not gambling. They're not trying to flip real estate. They're using the boring, time-tested formula. Save aggressively, invest automatically, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Your income might be low, but your discipline can be high. And that's the difference between the people who stay broke and the people who build wealth. So here's what you do today. Open a Roth IRA, set up that automatic investment, and cut your spending by $200. That's it. 3 moves. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. We post every single week. And next week we're breaking down the side hustle that makes the most sense for your situation. Thanks for watching. Now go build wealth.